First, we need the installation file of VMware Workstation Player. To download the file, go to your favorite browser. Just click on the search bar and type VMware Download. Then click the Download VMware Workstation Player link, and it will direct you to the VMware Workstation page. Scroll down the page and then click the Download Now link on the bottom of the VMware page, and it will start to download the installation file. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After downloading the installation file, double-click on it and start the installation. If Windows would want permission to start the installation, say yes to continue, then click on Next. Accept the license agreement by checking the box and click on Next. Next step, you can uncheck the first option. If you want to check or uncheck both of them, they're both okay, doesn't matter, and click on Next. Click on Next again. And finally, click on Install and start the installation process. After that, click on the Finish button. A message will pop up saying that you must restart your system for the configuration. I click No because I don't want to restart my system. And now the VMware Workstation Player has been installed to your computer. If you want to open the app, just click on it. Click the Continue button and then Finish. And you can now create a new virtual machine on this Workstation Player. Just click on Create. Click Next. Choose what type of guest operating system. Next. Again, Next. Again, Next. And Finish. Once it's done, it will load for a little while, and finally, a new virtual machine has been created.